Welcome to this tiny little game that I made. I guess you might figure out what this is supposed to be copying. And I already made some kind of enemies and movement, and the arrow, that is the character that we are playing, is actually pointing at where the mouse looks. Hope you can see the mouse actually. And this is supposed to be gold, but I will also add XP. And in the corner I have added some coordinates. And that is it so far. And of course the enemies try not to collide with each other, which is also very helpful. Previously they were all just assembling in the same location, overlapping each other. But that is that so far. Thank you for watching, and maybe see you in another update.